Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to clean dirty pot. As you can see, this is the pot which is black here, all this part here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some baking powder, baking soda powder, and also this is a steel scrub which we are going to use to clean this pot. You will see magic happening right in a moment. So first, make sure you wet the pot a bit with a little water. Next, use the steel scrub to apply it on the pot. Apply it at the place where there's black dirt on the pot. Just scrub it repeatedly until you can see the dirt starts to eliminate. Add more baking powder if you feel that it's not enough. We'll see all the black residues coming out. See, this is all the residue we have came out after scrubbing thoroughly. We're going to clean. Okay, so now after we have washed this with the clean water, you can see this is the result. It is much more cleaner than before. Hi guys, this is the second item which we are using. You can see the front side which is very clean, but the back here, as you can see, is really black and dirty. So what we're going to do here is we're going to clean this part using some baking powder. This is the baking powder, and also steel scrub. It is very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to rinse some water on the rear side here. Okay, now we're going to rinse some water, make it wet. Okay, then you just rub through all the water throughout the surface. The next step is put some baking powder onto the dark area. Then you just get a steel scrub and scrub accordingly at the. So now, after we have scrubbed, we will put some water to see what is the result which came out. Oh, we will add more because there's still some dark spots here to ensure that it is clean. So we continue scrubbing until the dark spots or the residue has been cleared throughout. Add more baking soda if you still find some dirt on your pot accordingly. And then continue the same process of scrubbing until all the residue has been clear off. You can see all the dirt are already coming out from the pot after we have scrubbed it thoroughly. All these are dirt. So now we sprinkle some water and continue scrubbing. bring it to the sink and then clean off, and you can see all the dirt which is coming out now. This is the dirt. You can see all the black that's still coming out from the pot. Now it is clean. And it is like a brand new wok. Okay, as you can see guys, after rinsing with water, this is what the black spot has been reduced. The black spot has been reduced. Now what to get a better result, you need to repeat the same process 2 or 3 times using baking soda and the scrubber. So you get a much more better result and cleaner, as just like this, as clean as the front here. So please like, subscribe and share to our channel, and put some comment and feedback on our video. Thank you very much for your support.